Looking to work in Europe? This is your chance to make it happen. Poland is calling with seasonal work opportunities and free housing, making it easier for you to settle in and start earning right away. In the Czech Republic, factory jobs come with temporary residence cards, offering stability and security for your future. Serbia has warehouse work with attractive bonuses, rewarding your hard work and dedication. And let's not forget Norway, Hungary, and Bulgaria, known for excellent pay and benefits that will elevate your career. At Stellar Migration, we make the process simple and seamless. From securing your work permit to guiding you every step of the way, we ensure a smooth transition to your new life in Europe. Why wait? Opportunities like this don't come around often. Contact us today and take the first step toward a brighter, more rewarding future in Europe. Let's make it happen together.